Ask the Expert is sponsored by Gideon Asen.
If you're in a motor vehicle crash, it can be difficult to know what to do next, especially if that other driver is working at the time. Taylor Asen with Gideon Asen Law Firm is here to help us navigate this situation. Taylor, thanks so much for having us.
My pleasure.
You know, after you're in a serious crash, which hopefully you never will be, but if you are, what are some of the first things that you should do?
The first thing you should do is take care of yourself. I mean, there's no lawsuit is as important as your health, obviously. And if you are seriously injured, you may want to consult a lawyer. If you're in a motor vehicle accident with another non-commercial driver, just a normal driver, the problem is there may not be enough insurance coverage to adequately compensate you depending on the type of injury you have. If you have a minor injury, there may be. If you have a very serious injury, there may not be enough insurance. When it comes to being in an accident with a commercial driver, things get a lot more complicated. The good news is there may be more insurance that you can get.
What are some of the biggest mistakes people make after a crash that could hurt their case later on?
One mistake is not preserving evidence. Now, as a victim of a car accident, you're not going to preserve evidence yourself, but that's why you need to get in touch with a lawyer. If you're in a serious car accident, especially with a commercial driver, whether that's an Uber, a DoorDash, a gig economy driver, or a large commercial motor vehicle, you want to get in touch with a lawyer who can help you preserve evidence and figure out who's responsible.
From a victim's perspective, what does documentation look like?
It's always good to take photographs at the scene. If you're critically injured, you're probably not going to be able to do that. If you notice that there are witnesses to the crash, that's a good thing to keep in mind. The number one job of a victim in these cases is to try to get better, right? The lawyer's job is to build the case, to find assets and insurance that can be used to make the person whole. And if you have a good lawyer, you should be able to focus on healing.
If people would like more information, what's the best way to get in touch with you?
You can find us online or give us a call.
Excellent. Taylor, thanks so much for your expertise.
It's my pleasure.
We'll have more information on WGME.com as well.